Itu berenang mana tinggal deh. Maybe let's Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 20. Lordship, affidavit is ready. I'm waiting for his signature. Have you given some time?
Affidavit in opposition.
Yes.
At the request of the learned CGC,
CGC.
the CGC, who submits that the counter affidavit is required to be filed, prays for a short date, prays for 2 weeks further time to file the affidavit. Prayer made is not objected to by the counsel to the petitioner. Any objections?
No, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, the leading counsel name is not reflected in the cost list.
Prayer made is not objected to by the counsel to the petitioner. Accordingly, the matter be directed to be listed after 2 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry. What is the name of the counsel?
Advocate B. Ali SK.
B. Ali.
Ahoy.
It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that the name of the counsel, arguing counsel in the matter, Mr. B. Ali SK, is not reflected in the course list. The registry to reflect the name of all counsels in the course list on the next date when the matter is listed. Yes.
Much objection.
May it please your Lordship.
Yes.
My Lord, I may be allowed to make a mention of the hearing matters 47 to 51.
Right.
Your Lordship, here I have sought for some documents from my clients. This is a petition for compensation. And the NHIDCL has filed an affidavit stating that the portion of the road where my clients' lands and properties are is not part of the compensation. They have modified the document. But there are some direction from the Deputy Commissioner earlier not to develop the properties, and it has been kept redundant for about 5-6 years, Your Lordship. So I have sought for that document to be filed before the Zound Court.
You want to file it?
Yes, Your Lordship. So my Lord, may kindly grant me 3 weeks' time.
You are for the petitioner.
Yes, my Lord.
Anyone for the respondents?
Lordship, and for respondent number 6, then HDS,
Any objections to the prayer made?
no objection, Lordship.
You are Mr. Shaki?
My Lord, Your Lordship.
The learned counsel for the petitioner, Mr. J. Shaki, submits that certain documents are required to be brought on record. He therefore prays for further time to file an additional affidavit.
My Lord.
He prays for 2 weeks' time. Prayer made is not objected to by the respondent counsels. Matters stand adjourned to be listed after 2 weeks, which is item 46 to 51.
Your Lordship, it's 47 to 51.
46.
Oh, 46, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship. Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I may be allowed to make a mention for item 26, Lordship. I may kindly be granted 3 weeks to file my reply. I have received the counter affidavit filed by the respondents.
You are Mr.
26.
You're for the
Mr.
petitioner.
Yes, I'm for the petitioner.
Your name, please.
Cynthia, Your Lordship,
Mr. Sentianger, learned counsel for the petitioner, prays for
3 weeks.
3 weeks time to file reply affidavit. Prayer made is not objected to by the respondents.
Yes, Your Lordship.
List again after 3 weeks.
Lordship, there's an interim.
Then we have to fix a date.
Lordship,
List the matter again on 2nd of December.
Lordship, Lordship,
Interim order passed earlier, if any, will continue till the next date fixed.
much obliged, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yeah.
Lordship, item 8, Your Lordship. May I pray this matter be listed after 3 weeks? We are yet to file our affidavit, Your Lordship.
Item 8.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, similar prayer for item 24 also. Yes.
These prayers you make when the matter is called up.
Your
Normally,
Lordship.
mentioning is for, you want any urgent matters or any pleadings to be brought on record. But these adjournments, you make it up when the matter is called up. All right? Otherwise, we are wasting a lot of time in mentioning. Okay, we'll take it up, you'll be around. May renew your prayer when the matter gets called up.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes,
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 36
why?
on behalf of my senior Ajo, Lordship.
Hey.
Lordship, here because of my senior's family emergency, Lordship, he has to go out, Lordship.
You're
Sorry.
mentioning on behalf of?
My senior Ajo on behalf of respondent number 4 to 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 16,
Who's
17.
for the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner, Lordship. They've been taking time. This is 2022 case.
Hmm.
And it is ready for hearing. I'm ready, but they always keep on asking for time.
You argue the matter?
Lordship, and also there's a new development in the case. So, may Your Lordship, I may be allowed to file additional affidavit as well, Lordship.
Then let the matter be fixed either on 7th or next week, Tuesday.
Yes.
Lordship says that arguing counsel is out of station. So,
You take the opportunity and argue the matter.
Lordship,
You
I'm
should
not
take
prepared
these
with that.
opportunities.
Lordship, then may this matter come up after 2 weeks, Lordship. In the
After-
meantime, I'll file my affidavit, additional affidavit, Lordship.
Yes, madam.
Madam,
14. Next week. Next week. Yeah, it in the agenda.
If you're ready for 12th, we'll take it up. 12th or
12 or 14, Lordship, in that matter.
you want it on 14th?
12 or 14. That is either Tuesday or Thursday.
Yes.
Tuesday, no, next week.
Lordship, actually, my senior will be out of, because he has a matter in 20, 21, 22, 23, Lordship.
You
That's
convince,
why
you convince your adversary counsel.
he'll be out of station 20, 21, 22. So why not on 12 or 14?
Lordship, then 19 of this month, Lordship.
Yes, 19th.
Lordship, I have no say.
Right.
They've been seeking the same time for
Mr., your name?
V goes our Lordship.
V. Mosa, learned counsel appearing for on behalf of respondents,
Respondent number 4 to 6,
4 to 6.
8, 10, 12, 13, 16, 17,
You
18.
give a chit to
Lordship,
the
Lordship.
court master.
Lordship.
Appearing for so-and-so respondents submits that you'd like to file an additional affidavit to bring on record certain developments which has taken place during the pendency of the writ petition. Stop. MS.Z. Zimomi, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner, objects to the prayer made and submits that the respondents have been praying for adjournments on several dates. The matter requires urgent hearing. Stop. After hearing the councils for after taking note of the submissions made by the councils, this court is of the view that the matter should be listed on a date convenient to both the councils. Accordingly, let the matter be listed on 19th
As a fixed item, yes, Lordship, no
19.
more adjournment.
For, as a fixed item, stop. An attempt will be made by the court to dispose of this said writ petition. It is made clear that in the event, it is made clear that the respondent should file their additional affidavit well prior to the next date fixed and serve advance copies to the counsel of the
Lordship.
petitioner. List accordingly.
Obliged, Lordship.
May I please, my lord?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention the hearing item 43, 44, and 45. I am for the state respondent in these matters, your lordship. If this matter can be listed on the next Tuesday, that is 12, your lordship.
Right.
I'm extremely sorry, lordship, I'm not ready with this matter today. Some of the other items which I'm handling has already been fixed, your lordship. Therefore, I am not ready with this matter. If this can be listed,
Master, are there many matters on Tuesday? How many matters on Tuesday? Fix? Do you have an idea?
Won't be much fixed items.
lordship, if Tuesday there is a difficulty, then on Monday, my lord.
Yes, what do you say?
No objection, my lord.
All right, we'll have it on Monday.
Lordship.
Item 43, 44, 45.
Yes, my lord.
And the prayer of learned counsel, Mr.
And Angami, my lord.
N. Angami, appearing for the respondents.
State respondent, my lord.
State respondents. You're the government counsel.
Yes, my lord.
The government advocate, the matter stands deferred to be listed again on 11th,
Yes, my lord. 11th.
11 November. Counsel for the petitioner does not object to the prayer reading. List accordingly.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item 17. Lordship, we have received an affidavit in your possession from state respondent, kindly grant 3 weeks' time to
Wait,
file
wait,
our-
wait. We allow the matter to be called up. Wait,
Lordship,
yes.
I beg to mention hearing item 41 and 42.
Well,
Kindly- My senior is indisposed. Let the matter be kindly
you are
come
for
up
the
of the
petitioner or respondent?
petitioner, Lordship.
Petitioner,
Lordship,
okay. Who's your senior?
Mojamir.
Item 41, 42. Prayer is made on behalf of Mr. Moa Jamil, who submits that the council is indisposed and therefore seeks accommodation today. When do you want it?
Thursday, next Thursday.
Coming Thursday, day after,
No, Lordship,
Then-
next week, next Thursday.
next week. Let the matter be listed as prayed for. Let the matter be listed on 14th November. You're appearing for the
And for the state.
state. State is duly represented. Yes.
May I please, lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 32 on behalf of AIME. Lordship, if this matter will come up after 1 week.
Why?
Lordship, she has some personal difficulties.
You make a mention when the matter is called up. We'll see.
Hearing, lordship, hearing item number
You
32.
wait.
Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 38.
Why?
Lordship, by senior Yakriunguli, he has been recently appointed as a government servant, so we need some time.
You're for?
I'm for the respondent number 5.
Who's for the petitioner?
Your lordship, they have been seeking time over and over again for the past several months now, your lordship, and it's a simple matter. It's with regard to land ownership appointment, and he is in the meantime enjoying the appointment.
You make alternative arrangements. We'll take it up on Thursday.
Yes,
Thursday,
Lordship.
all right? Okay, your name, please?
And Keretsu.
NK
Keretsu,
and Keretsi, Learned Counsel. Appearing for respondent number
5.
5. 6 adjournment for the day. Counsel for the petitioner, Mr. T. Pongje, submits that this matter requires urgent hearing. Therefore, as agreed to by the parties, let the matter be listed on 7th. Thursday,
your lordship.
7th.
So much.
Yes.
May I please, your lordship? I beg to mention item number 27. Your lordship, we will be filing the affidavit in reply in the course of the day. So I pray that this matter may be listed after 2 weeks.
Who's for the petitioner? Oh, you're for the petitioner. Who's
Yes, my
for
lord.
the respondent? Any objection?
Lordship, no, since they are only filing today, Your Lordship.
Okay. Learned counsel, your name?
Soreni.
Soreni. Okay. Appearing for the petitioner submits that an affidavit in reply
Yes,
is
my
being
lord.
filed during the course of the day. Accordingly, matter be listed
After 2 weeks.
after 2 weeks. Why? You're filing it today? We'll have it next week.
Okay, my lord.
Be listed next week on a date to be fixed by the registry. Counsel for the state council does not object to the prayer mail.
Lordship.
Much obliged.
Obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 11.
Yes,
I pray that 2 weeks' time may be granted to file
Wait.
affidavit. Affidavit in reply has not been filed yet.
why, what, any objection from the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner.
You're for the petitioner, you want to file reply, but,
Yes, Your Lordship.
okay. You wait, let the matter be called up.
Obliged, Lordship.
Yes, call up, call up.
Bless your lordship. Lordship, I'd like to mention item 29. I'm representing the state here. All the state respondents. Lordship, I may be allowed 2 weeks' time, lordship, though.
Who's for the petitioner? Petitioner has to be. Yes, Mr. Shaki, any objections?
Your Lordship, in fact, some instruction is expected to come today. And the Honorable Court, the coordinate bench of this Honorable Court has also given some observation on the.
What is the matter about?
Your Lordship, it is to do with the arrears, the pay arrears. And your
Salary.
Lordship, salary arrears, your Lordship, and they have already retired. So at least some exception that even if affidavit cannot be filed, some instruction would have been necessary, my lord.
You want to file an affidavit?
Yes, yes.
Do you have the instructions?
No. That is a problem, your lordship. I've completed the requirement of the instruction now. I'm expecting, but once I receive that, I'll file the affidavit. Last order is very clear.
All right, as a final opportunity, we are granting you time to obtain your instructions.
Yes. I brief for 2 weeks' time, your lordship.
My lord, your Lordship.
Learned senior government advocate submits that instructions in the matter are awaited. This is item 29.
My lord.
29
Correct, lordship.
are awaited. He prays for further 2 weeks' time. Counsel for the petitioner does not object to the prayer made. List after 2 weeks. On a date to be
Obliged.
fixed by the registry. Yes.
Blush, your Lordship.
For motion, item number 1.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Here the petitioner is an unemployed youth who belongs to the landowner family, whose family have donated a plot of land back in the year 1955
Yes.
to the government of Nagaland. There was an understanding that the family of the landowners would be accommodated in the government service. But till date, no such appointment have been given. So my lord, the petitioner has submitted his application in the year 2021. But unfortunately, instead of his appointment, a victim of Oting Tiru incident was appointed to the grade 4 post at Aboy Government Higher Secondary School under Mon District. Again, my lord, another vacancy arose for which he have applied again, for a second time. And my lord, on his application and recommendation from the village council and the
First, you show us under what notification or office memorandum is the.
Yes, my lord, I have annexed on page 23, annexure 1.
Yes, yes, please read. Which particular clause? Where does it say that?
On 3A, on rule 3A.
3A.
In other cases prior to 26 2005 and subsequent to setting up of administrative and block headquarters on freely donated land where a specific written agreement exists providing for employment to the landowner. The claim of landowner for employment should be settled in terms of such agreement.
Now, where is that agreement?
And my lord, there is no written agreement, but or understanding, oral assurance.
But as per the notification, there has to be a written agreement.
And my lord, I may be allowed to read out the rule 2, para 2 also.
Yes.
All cases where administrative headquarters and block were set up in various part of the state on land donated freely by individuals, village, or people of the area should not be.
Reopened.
Yes, my lord.
This is against you.
My lord, 3B also, my lord. If there's any claim for providing employment as a result of oral agreement, the department concerned shall refer the matter to the deputy commissioner of the district concerned, who shall examine such claim carefully, including whether any employment or any other facility, including contract or supply order, has been given in the past. A written statement from the witness, that is, government officials of the concerned department and this district administration and village functionaries present at the time of such oral agreements will be taken by the deputy commissioner. The recommendation of the deputy commissioner should be referred with the relevant documents to the Department of Land Revenue for advice in such cases by the department concerned. In my case, my lord, the deputy commissioner and the additional deputy commissioner have recommended me, my lord. But even after the verification and recommendation, the concerned authority have not appointed me.
So where is the recommendation?
Recommendation, my lord.
In your favor?
My lord, on page 3 to 32, annexure 6.
52. Yes.
No objection certificate. This is to certify that Sri Yato Konyak, son of let so and so of Langmai village, is a landowner for the government higher secondary school Apoi. Further, there is no objection for him to apply for any benefits that he is entitled to the government as bona fide landowner. And based on this no objection, the principal director of the school education, which I have annexed on page 37, annexure 10.
Yes.
Have directed the deputy commissioner to submit a verification of genuine landowner for appointment of Mali MTS at Government Higher Secondary School, Abway, under DEO Mon.
Yes.
In complying with this direction, the Dobasi and the additional deputy commissioner and the deputy commissioner and the village council have recommended, and my lord, on page annexure 16, on page 51, my lord, the deputy commissioner have submitted the verification report, have clearly stated that the petitioner is a landowner.
So where is that report? Is it available here?
On page 51, my lord.
51.
Yes, my lord. The deputy commissioner, based on the report of the ADC and the Dobasi and the village council, have written this letter addressed to the principal director.
What is your name? What is the name of the petitioner?
Mr. Yato Konyak, my lord.
Yato Konyak. Yes, who's for the respondent?
Lordship, I will accept
You'll accept notice.
on behalf of respondent 1%.
Any person has been appointed in the post. Are there any vacancies available?
Not yet, my lord.
No, is there any vacancy available?
It is, my lord.
Where have you
The
stated?
incumbent have passed away, unfortunately, my lord.
Where have you stated in your petition?
On page 8, para 7, my lord.
Is it? Vacant post of Mali.
Yes, my lord.
In which department?
Under school education at Government Higher Secondary School, Abway. They're very plot which I have donated.
Heard, Mr. Your name?
Pakin Rizal, my lord.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard, learned government advocate appearing for accepting notice on behalf of respondents.
1 to 6.
1 to 6, all the respondents. The petitioner before this court claims to belong to a family of landowners who freely donated a plot of land for construction of government high secondary school
Yes,
in
my lord.
Aboy.
Yes, my lord.
What is the name of the district?
It's Mon, my lord, Mon.
Mon, in the district of Mon. Stop. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that there is a policy in the government that persons donating the land persons belonging to families of land donors are given opportunities for employment in government organizations to which the land owner family had donated their land. So it is submitted that the petitioner's father was working, or who was working in the post earlier?
No one has been appointed from the family. He's the first applicant.
In spite of vacancies arising in the government departments, no appointment in the family of landowners to which the petitioner belongs have ever been appointed. Stop. Insofar as the government high secondary school at Aboy in the district of Mon is concerned, there is a vacant post of a chowkidar, which is arisen due to the demise of the incumbent. And in spite of several opportunities, in spite of several representations being made by the petitioner and a no objection certificate being granted by the village council that the petitioner belongs to the family of the landowners who had donated land for construction of the government high secondary school at Aboy, Kohima. No person has yet been, the petitioner has not been appointed. Stop. On the basis of the representation made before the deputy commissioner, the case of the petitioner and other persons were forwarded, and an inquiry was made by the deputy commissioner Mon. And in the inquiry and in the communication forwarding the inquiry dated 9th of April 2024, it is clearly mentioned that the petitioner is the younger brother of Sri Wangkhao Konyak, son of Aching Konyak, who was the owner of a plot of land where the high secondary school is located. Stop. Whereas another applicant, whose name is also mentioned in the same inquiry report, has been shown to be not belonging to the family of landowners. Stop. Under such circumstances, the petitioner claims that the case of the petitioner ought to have been considered by the respondent authorities